I'm Todd Hudgel at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. This is the Aviara 32. This state-of-the-art day boat has tons of custom features, fantastic fit and finish, great materials. The Cool Feel vinyl stays cooler than any other brand's vinyl. Custom billet handles, cleats, speaker covers that not only are very attractive but protect the speakers for lower maintenance and better look. The 3-screen display has engine data, all your navigation data, and all the boat data and controls at your fingertips. The boat also comes standard with Mercury's joystick piloting for ease of docking. Here we have a bar with a built-in trash can, huge sink with bottle storage for great entertaining, and over here, a roomy head for, well, you know. Aviara's multifunction seating at the stern includes the stadium seat when these are lifted, normal chair with a backrest, and lounge with a backrest down for comfort in any situation. Aviara's excellent hull design coupled with twin Mercury V8 300 horsepower Verados result in excellent performance and efficiency. Call MarineMax in Panama City Beach today to make arrangements to see this beautiful brand new Aviara 32.